nila. Ay, hindi.
Chip, you're my favorite!
Oh, see? Ganyan pwede ang suot yan, di ba? Diba nga?
Donald. Hi guys, what's up? So today is September 6th, which means it was a move in day for me. Okay. So I literally spent all mid-afternoon-ish, from like 10 to 5, moving in my stuff from my old apartment to this one, which we are currently in. It's literally bare because this is just the front door. Yeah, I guess we'll do a quick little tour. So we have the little walkway. This is not my room, this is C and D, I'm in A, but we come around the corner, the wagon that I have to return, whoops. Here's a washer and a dryer, but first we're gonna have to clean this or something because it's nasty. But it actually comes with like a little shelf, that's all mine. Like this, that's all right. Woo. But yeah, this thing is like massive. So. Yeah, wagon's mine. Here is our kitchen and our living space, which is very spacious, and I love it. I feel like it's larger than my old living space. So I walked in thinking I was moving in to an apartment that already had CPs. Apparently I was the first one in here, so that's great. Question is, when I, looked at the cabinets, see where things were, I opened the fridge and there's literally like nothing. It's not on. Okay, and like I don't know what or how they did it, but it's legitimately not on. So there's that. This one's gonna be my cabinet. I'm literally just leaving that for now like that. So we have my toaster and the blender for me. We do have my cooking stuff in here from me. Anything. The regular pots and pans that it comes with. It's silverware. And this one is like my little nook and cranny thing. Should they do these? They haven't done that one yet. Also, I don't know why this is like half like white / cream and the dark wood.